Okay, good morning. So we are now still on statistics and probability, another topic for the statistics and probability for mathematics 10. We are now in addition rule for probability. There are actually two types for addition rule. The first we have here mutually exclusive events, and the second one is inclusive events. For the mutually exclusive events, this is an event wherein, or these are the event wherein the first probability or the first outcome and the second outcome has no common. No, walay common silang duha. Then for solving for that one, we can use this formula, probability of A union B, that is equivalent to probability of A plus probability of B. What we're just going to do, because there is no common event between A and B, so we are just going to add each individual probability. Letter B, inclusive events. This one is we have here probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This probability of A intersection B, it means that the outcome in B, A and B has a common elements. Okay? So let us have this example. Okay? A number is selected at random from the set 1, 2, 3, 4 to 20. Okay? Then we are asked to find the probability of the following. Letter A, drawing a number divisible by 3 or 5. Letter B, drawing a number divisible by 5 or 8. Okay, let us do first in letter A. Okay, for letter A, first drawing a number divisible by 3. Okay, drawing a number divisible by 3. Number which are divisible by 3. So man, we let this one as our A. No? Set A having an elements of what? Okay, kailangan ko ng elements 3. We have first 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18 of course. Next, remember that the probability of this number, probability of A, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 20. Next, number divisible by 5. We let that one as our set B. And that is equivalent to what? First, we have 5, because 5 is divisible by itself. 5, 10, 15, and 20. So therefore, its corresponding probability of B is equal to what? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 out of 20. Okay? Now at this time, we'll have to find out if there is common elements between this one. Okay? Take a look. No? We have set A, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. B, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So therefore, 15, no? Common nilang duha. There are elements in common between these two events. So therefore, for A intersection B is just equal to what? We have here 15. Okay? And we have here probability of A intersection B is equal to 1 out of 20. Then therefore, the answer for number 1, we have here, because there is a common, we can make use of the second one, which is inclusive events. So it means that probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, we have 6 over 20 plus 4 over 20 minus 1 over 20. Or that is equivalent to 9. No? 9 over 20. Okay? What about the second? For letter B. Doing a number divisible by 5 or 8. Okay? For letter B, Okay, for letter D, number divisible by 5. Okay, divisible by 5. We let that one is as A or set A. Okay, numbers divisible by 5, anak-anak, 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Next, number divisible by 8. Okay, divisible by 8. We call it as set B. 8, so of course 8 is divisible by itself. 8, 16, 8 and 16 only out of the numbers from 1 to 20. So next, remember that probability of A, we already have that as 6 over, probability of A here, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 out of 20. Next, we have here probability of B, 2. So 2 out of 20. Then we can now simplify. Look at these two set. We have 8 and 16, 5, 10, 15, 20. As we observe, there is no elements in common. So therefore, we can now use the first one, mutually exclusive events, meaning each individual probability has no elements in common. So therefore, probability of A union B is equal to 4 over 20 plus 2 over 20, that is 6 over 20, or by 2, that is 3 over 10. Okay? 3 over 10. So that is how to use addition rule for probability between mutually exclusive events and inclusive events.